Ka-chow!
Start by undoing the 2 metal clips holding the airbox down. Next, you'll want to loosen both hose clips at the top and bottom of the intake hose, as well as removing the little breather hose. Then just lift up the top of the box, pull the old filter out. Make sure you look at how it's aligned because one corner sticks out a little more than the other 3. And that goes to the front on the driver's side. The trick to putting the top of the airbox back on is to align the little plastic tabs in the back first and then set it down flat. Put the 2 metal clips back on. Put all your hoses back on, retighten your hose clamps, and congratulations! Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video.